Hello everyone, today we will talk about severity and priority of a bug. When a tester found a bug in the system, then how team decides what is the severity and what is the priority of that particular bug. Let's see in the next slide. So what is the priority? So priority is how quickly a bug should be fixed. Bug priority indicates the sense of urgency for dealing with a bug on our website. As soon as a tester find a bug, the team need to decide the priority. Mostly the priority will be decided from product manager end. What are the status of priorities? It could be immediate, it could be high, it could be medium, or it could be low. If the product manager is thinking we need to fix this bug as soon as possible, that means we need to set the priority, or the product manager will set the priority as immediate. I'm giving you one example. Suppose today we find a bug on the production. Some functionality is not working properly or giving error. So in that case, we will not wait for that particular bug. Immediately the team will start working on that and we will try to fix that bug and try to deliver as soon as possible. Then in that case it will be immediate. Very low priority will also be fixed, but it is not the correct time to fix the bug. So this is the priority. What is severity? The severity of bug is derived based on the effect of that bug on the system. It indicates the level of threats that a bug can affect the system. So here we think about from system perspective. If the functionality is not working, that means it is a high or critical severity bug. And we have a few status of the severity like critical, major, minor, or low. If it is low priority, that means it is not impacting the functionality, or it is impacting the functionality in very low manner. So in the next slide we will understand what is the difference between priority and severity. So yeah, so we can compare here priority versus severity. So if we see the first point, like priority is associated with the scheduling. Like when we need to fix this bug, if this bug is really important, it is impacting our business, then as soon as we found the bug we need to fix it. And severity is associated with the functionality or standard. Suppose we have a submit button and we are clicking that submit button, it is not working properly, that means the severity of that particular functionality is high, it is not working as per expected result. Priority indicates how soon the bug should be fixed. Severity indicates the seriousness of the defect on the product functionality. So we can count how the serious that functionality is. Priority is derived by the business value and severity is driven by the functionality. Priority of defect is decided in consultation with the manager or client. And QA determines the severity level of a defect. QA can decide, or QA lead can decide the severity of the bug. Priority status is based on customer requirement. However, severity status is based on technical aspect of the product. So I have few examples, or we can say that scenario. High priority and low severity status indicates defect have to be fixed on immediate basis but does not affect the application. What is the meaning here? High priority and low severity. So high priority, that means it is impacting our business on high level. But it is low severity, that means the functionality is not major or critical. So here how we can decide that defect have to be fixed on immediate basis but does not affect the application because of from business perspective we need to fix this bug. Then another one, high severity and low priority status indicate defect have to be fixed but not on immediate basis. So severity high. On the functionality basis, we have to fix. But on the business perspective, it is not very critical or it is not very high. We need to fix right now. So we can fix it later. I will give you one example here. I have one example. Suppose we have just one application which is under implementation, under development. So here you can see the logo is not appearing. Like this is a application for a hotel, and lots of functionality here, links are there. So I'm giving you one example, like logo is not appearing here, means that is a bug. It is high priority bug. How? Because it is impacting our business. If the customer is checking his site, he is landing on the home page and he found that logo is not appearing, means our logo is wrong. This is definitely impact our business. So it will be high priority, but it is low severity because there is no functionality involved here. So functionality wise it is low. So now we have example of high priority and low severity, which is logo. And the another example which I will give you, if someone is asking you that give me the one example or give me the one scenario where the severity should be high but priority should be low, so I can tell you how. So here you can see many tabs or many links there. So suppose I am clicking on book online, so it is not working and it is telling that you need to choose an application, means properly it is not working. The functionality is what here, user should click on book online and it should navigate to some pages from where user can book rooms online. The severity of this functionality should be high, but as per the release or as per the requirement, we do not need this requirement in this particular release, or we do not need this requirement in this week. We can fix this bug in next week as well. So in that case, the functionality, the severity of that functionality is high, but priority is low. We do not need to fix this immediately. So that is the example of high severity and low priority. Thank you for watching my channel. If you like my video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.